Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am getting ready for the Christmas. I'm sure so you are now, and it's a very important time for us and our families. So tonight I'm gonna be having a little campfire, little cooking, mediocre cooking, some different stuff, doing some chopping. I have a new axe I'm going to be showing you guys here in a little bit, and wish you very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So stay with me and have a little chat, and you enjoy the campfire. Just wanted to show you guys what this little fella can do with the wood. This is my Christmas gift and I'm very excited. It's really strong and you can use it one-handed or two-handed. This is a really nice axe. Before it gets too dark. So just easy like that. Very strong, and it's not heavy at all. It exceeded expectations. Just, of course, I'm gonna show you more videos with this one. Just wanted to give you a quick shot of what this axe can do. We're gonna use it more. So guys, while my fire is getting all fast and furious, I'll cut some mushrooms. I don't know how many I can feed there, but as many as I can on my cast iron frying pan, which you already know I have. I love that frying pan. Want to show you also dumplings in Dutch oven, and a very simple recipe of frying mushrooms and onions together. They come out so juicy, and you can just sip your bread in it and eat it forever. I can eat that forever. So onions should be Not too small, but not like rounds I usually use. There you go, mushrooms and onions chopped. Now that we have a good fire, I'm gonna put my Dutch oven, if I may stand it, to warm it up. There we go. I don't know if you guys know, these cuts on the cap of the thermos are made to pour water or coffee. It's just like little tap, as you can see. And it has two on both sides. So we brought this water to boiling, and now I'm gonna add salt, I will add this beautiful dumplings. There we go. Let me show you. I hope you can see those beautiful things inside. And we have to wait for the water to boil again, and stir gently, not to damage the dough. So I don't want my dough to stick to the bottom, so I'll gently, just a little bit. Let me show you. I'm not sure if you can see through the steam, but water has been boiling again, so we have to wait 10 to 15 minutes until it's fully cooked. So while we're gonna be eating dumplings, I'm gonna also throw my frying pan, and do these mushrooms with onions, and make a little Christmas feast over here. Simple but delicious. Let's check our dumplings. I don't really see through the steam. Yeah, they're already floating upside down. It's been like over 10 minutes, so we should be good to go. Just want to show you better under the light. These little guys look absolutely delicious. And you pretty much need a pepper, and I'll show you how to eat them. So here you go. Bite a little piece, make a little hole here. Just like that. There's a hole over here. And then drink the juice. Oh wow. Delicious. It's hot, burning my fingers a little bit, but you can hold it from here. You're safe. And drink the juice first, and then eat the meat from the dough. True professional eaters of Khinkali or dumplings, not gonna spill a drop of juice and eat it completely without spilling. Gorgeous. Oh wow, we got some nice coals here, and I'm gonna throw a pan or just to level it a little bit, of course, and it should be ideal. Let it warm up, and we can get started with my mushroom onion project. That's it. Throwing down onions first. From the wrong side, I don't know why. Sorry for the background noise. And then we go with our mushrooms here. And what I'm gonna do now is use this my Dutch oven cover and put it on to steam all together, just for a little bit. So it's been covered for, oh, I can already smell it. This is just different for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you can already feel it. I need salt. The thing is, mushrooms gonna get smaller as they fry, so we should be all good to go with this pan size. And I'm gonna probably cover all this one more time and wait a couple more minutes. There we go. Okay, let's make a little mix. This is coming out really good. We are ready. Little bit of pepper, just a little bit. So guys, this is my bread. I know, yeah, this is still hot, but what I'm gonna do is, and I will advise you to do the same. Just don't burn yourself, okay? This is hot. Gorgeous. As we are into New Year, I will have some London Dry gin. Want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope to see you during the or prior New Year, and I wish you all the best, to you and to your families. Thank you for hanging out with me, camping with me, campfire cooking with me, and all this beautiful time I spent with you guys. Cheers. Oh, this is strong. Absolutely delicious. Spice goes in.